Welcome to this Dynamic Maps video providing an overview of MapThat Mobile. Logging in allows you to choose any number of roles and projects, and once opened, zooms to the UK. If you require help with the application, from the top right menu choose Help, and the MapThat Mobile playlist video opens, which provides help for all tools and settings. The Settings option allows you to control how the app can track you while working in the field. From the settings, we'll turn on the Geolocate and Track option. Back in the map, choosing the compass icon will geolocate you, and as you move around, the map will track your location while you collect data in the field. From the Tools menu, choosing the Home button will then centre the map over your project's chosen location. The Tools menu also has a Layers button. This allows you to display any number of layers. In this example, let's display the Liverpool schools. In the map, as we zoom and pan, the layer will automatically refresh to show the schools in the current map extents. If a theme is applied to your layer, you can filter the features by hiding themes. Choosing Update will then return to the map and the layer filters as requested. MapThat Mobile is also compatible with any web map service. In this example, we've chosen to show the lower super Alpha areas for Liverpool, styled red, green and blue based on the population. If we then choose a Liverpool crime heat map, this then renders a crime to Liverpool as hotspots. And as these are WMS layers, they render in high speed. MapThat Mobile also allows you to render any external WMS datasets. For example, let's show the flood zones and ancient woodland areas for Liverpool. Back in the map, as we pan and zoom, the WMS layers re-render for the new map extents. Using WMS layers is a great way to render heavy datasets with multiple shapes. For example, let's display the planning applications for Liverpool as a WMS. And back in the map, these are shown as the grey shapes, which refresh quickly as we pan and zoom around the map. And even though these are WMS layers, we can still use the Data Reader tool to select a planning application to view the full planning details, including application number and proposal. While at street level, let's explore the measuring tools. Firstly, we can measure distances. By clicking in the map to draw our line, the distance is updated at the top of the device. We can then change the distance units, for example, changing meters to yards. If we reset and choose the Measure Area tool now, again clicking in the map allows you to draw the area shape, and once completed, the area and perimeter is auto-calculated. This time we'll change the area units to hectares and the value is updated. Zooming to street level again and viewing some planning applications, let's use the Layers tool where we can change the base map. Firstly, choosing aerial imagery will update the base mapping with detailed imagery for that location. And then again from the base map option, let's choose OS API, which then updates the base map to use OS data, including Ordnance Survey's master map at street level. Now we have more detailed mapping, let's explore the drawing tools, which are activated from the bottom toolbar. Here you simply choose the layer you wish to edit, and then in the drawing tools, we can use the Move Features options to move an application to a new location, or reshape existing features by adjusting their vertices, as well as editing attributes using the Data Reader tool, allowing us to view and then update the information for your features. For example, updating a planning application's progress. Once saved and updated, the shape reflects the change to the attribute data. The Attribute Editor also has options to upload images and documents, as well as photographs you take on site to any of your map features. Here we'll search for an existing image of the proposed development and attach that to the map feature. These images and documents are uploaded to the server to be shared with other users. The Drawing Tools also has a Delete option, so you can remove any unwanted records by simply selecting them and deleting them from the map. Finally, let's create a new planning application, choosing the Draw a New Shape option, and then just like the Measure tool, we can simply finger tap in a map to draw the boundary for the new feature. Once the shape is drawn, you can then enter the details for the new record using plain text fields, drop-down list boxes, and calendar pop-ups to choose attributes as needed. Once you choose Update, the feature is added into the map and saved to your live database. Finally, while working out on site, you may lose internet connection. So using the Offline Base Maps tool, you can choose to cache any of your available base maps. Firstly, choosing the area to cache by drawing a rectangle on the map, and then selecting the zoom levels to download your mapping tiles. A confirmation will detail the size of the tiles to be downloaded, and within seconds the map tiles are saved to your device. Next, you can choose to cache the spatial objects for any of your layers, again drawing an area to define which features to download and cache. Now, while working on site, if you lose internet connectivity, the app will suggest you re-log in offline mode. And once logged in, the map auto-zooms to your cached spatial data. In offline mode, you can continue to view your base maps and make changes to any cached data. For example, here we've moved a feature. Then once internet connectivity returns, you can continue to work in online mode. Once logged back in online mode, if we choose to sync data, this will determine any pending cached data changes, which you can then review and delete if required. And then simply choose Sync Data to Server to then upload the cached changes to live. The system will also manage any conflict where changes made offline may clash with your live database. Many thanks for watching this video.